Hi everyone, now we are doing question 3 for solution Z, and at the first look, solution Z is yellow in color. Okay, it may be a little bit darker, that means like close to orange, but somewhat is dark yellow or yellow lah, huh? Right, so once again, because it's yellow, you know that the colored ions are present, right? So it's most likely going to be Fe2 plus, Fe3 plus, or Cu2 plus. And the ones that are not present will be the colorless one. So it cannot be NH4 plus, it cannot be zinc, it cannot be lead, and it cannot be calcium. Okay, now of course, because it's yellow, right, I think more or less you are guessing that is iron 3. Okay, so but we got to test, right? So you can see the first two tests, same thing. We're testing for the cation once again with sodium hydroxide and aqueous ammonia, right? I think by the time you do it the third time or fourth time, right, you're very used to it already. So this is a test for cation, very straightforward, right? And what you're gonna get, you're gonna get a reddish brown or red brown PPT, okay, and that is insoluble in excess. That means if I add extra sodium hydroxide, it will not dissolve, right? Same thing for aqueous ammonia. You're going to get a reddish brown PPT, right? That is insoluble in excess. Okay, then because of that, you can confirm that this is actually Fe3 plus. Okay, so what we know now is that for this particular Z, right, Z is actually iron 3 something. Okay, now then we want to find out what is the anion, so we go to the next test, D and E, right? So for D and E, we are doing the same again, right? We are adding barium nitrate and we're adding silver nitrate. So for barium nitrate, right, once again with this test is going to be testing for sulfate, while for silver nitrate you're testing for chloride. So I think when you do this test, then you notice that the first one for sulfate, you're going to get no visible change. That means you don't see any difference after you add the barium nitrate. But for chloride, right, when you add the silver nitrate, you notice that there's going to be a white PPT. Okay, now for this, we can then confirm that sulfate is not present, right? So there's a mistake in the worksheet. Just take note, right? What we're saying that sulfate is actually absent, right? And then for chloride, right, because you get a white PPT, so that means that the Cl minus is actually present. Okay, so based on this, right, we confirm that this particular Z is actually iron 3 chloride. Okay, so that's it for question 3. Thank you.